Good morning, friends. Today is 1st of December and I'm Shuchirunta bringing in the morning market update. We end the November month with a high note. The index ended with a bang, closing at 18,758, gaining 5.5% over the month. The top sectors of the month were the PSU banks, gaining over 16%, followed by the metals and the IT sector. Intraday activity of Nifty yesterday was sideways, with huge price and volume spikes seen in the last half an hour of the trading session, closing at the live highs. Technically, the RSI crosses the 70 mark on the daily charts and the market breadth has improved. Yesterday's rally was broad-based with most sectors contributing to the rally. The option chain data on the Nifty sees substantial put writing at the 18,700 strike, and the open interest is on lower put strikes indicating 18,500 to 18,700 range where puts have been sold. On the call side, maximum open interest outstanding is at the 19,000 strike, showing call writing taking place at that strike. FIIs were on a buying spree yesterday, buying a whooping 9,100 crores in the cash markets, over 1,100 crores in futures, and in options also they bought over 68,000 contracts of calls and sold puts around 28,000 contracts. India GDP growth rate was announced at 6.3%, which was in line with the expectation and the street consensus. Coming to the global cues, US indices rallied with Dow rallying over 2%, S&P 500 over 3% and Nasdaq over 4% yesterday after the Fed Chairman Powell said that the central banks may slow down the pace of its interest rate hikes. The S&P 500 closes above its 200 exponential moving average and overall the broader market participation and strength was seen. Technically, the structure of US indices looks bullish with further upside. The extra edge that the bulls get is the continued low level of India VIX and dollar index remaining subdued at 105 to 6 zone. Talking about sectors to watch, banks remain strong followed by metals. IT index shows an opportunity. It is just below the resistance of 30,500, looks to get crossed and gain further bullish momentum. Special mention to FMCG and the infra stocks. They have showed great price strength and look strong for more in the coming trading sessions. SGX Nifty looks for a higher opening. To conclude, the trend is up and strong, supported with momentum and market breadth. Levels for the day, Nifty supports will be seen at 18,660 and 18,550, resistance 18,820 and 18,880. For Bank Nifty, support will be seen at 42,750 and 42,550, resistance 43,400 and 43,500. Thank you.